is up, guys? We're back. Sorry for the late post of this video, but I think we're going to make it simple today. We're just going to talk about what we need, or what you need, to start this hobby, right? So to start off, you're going to need the basic, the foundation of the lure. That's the plastisol right there. And then with the plastisol, you need your favorite color. Now we're going to go and we're going to probably use the most popular color in the fishing industry. Comment down below if you think this is the color of the fishing industry, and that's green pumpkin. Right there, green pumpkin. Alright, with the green pumpkin, what goes into the green pumpkin? That's right, the flake. Need your flake, right? So we're going to be using the .062 black flake. Need your Pyrex cup. And then the simplest mold, so you don't get into all this crazy stuff that you see in the background, is what we call a hand pour mold. Now, the Angling AI Mojo worm hand pour. And I will leave all of the links to this stuff in the description below. So, let's go ahead. Let's measure out a cup of plastisol into the measuring cup. Alright. Alright, so there we go. We got the plastic in the cup. Now I like to put the color in before we hit the microwave. This is concentrated stuff, so we're not going to hit it hard. Give her a little stir. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and throw this in the microwave for 3 minutes, or until it hits 350 degrees. Alright, plastic's good to go. Now let's go ahead and let's add our flake to it. Alright, key to hand pouring is patience. Patience and practice. The 2 P's. Let's see how we can do this on camera. go back to our first one. Alright, how I was saying the overpour, you can see that one, you just go like this. It's gone. You just pluck them away. Easy. There we go. Alright guys, in a matter of minutes, you can make your own creation of baits, right? So that's where the fun comes out from it. That's the custom aspect of this hobby, is making the colors you want to make. But I think for the next video, we may do a color match. But you know, I'll take all your guys' input. Leave it down in the comments what you guys want to see next, and we'll play around a little bit. Remember, subscribe, hit that button so you get notified when these videos come out. I'm going to try and keep it Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. We'll see you guys later.